Hello, my name is Sudhakar. My project is a new approach for content catching and scheduling in wireless network. My guidance is Duraraj sir, is an MCA department. Now my project is a new approach for content catching and scheduling in wireless network. Mainly depending upon the content catching. If I download any something means it will not catching is if you 20 GB file is there in download, it is not possible to download. That is the catching. Mainly catching is a process in my system, this one, and directly is abstract is cluster is the main process in my project. Cluster is dividing into the parts. It is content catching. If you download something means 30 dB or 40 GB means it will not catching is the downloading process. The multi-basis states also is there in my project mainly. Exist system is mainly based on base stations. Exist system is mainly video vault. Video vault is not saving so many videos and images, whatever it is in the video vault. This have a front end or a back end is also is there. Mainly cluster is dividing into the parts. Propose system mainly one propose the system is scheduling content catching and scheduling problem for elastic or inelastic traffic. Elastic and inelastic means if you sending message to other person, it will fastly sending means elastic. In sometimes it is not fastly sending means inelastic. This is the mainly process in my system, my project. Disadvantage also same like almost all finite capacity of content catching. Advantage is mainly energy efficiency nodes is there. This is the system architecture, and mainly in system architecture is so many base stations is there and front end is there, plus the cluster is the wireless broadcasting system. Broadcast directly to go to the media vault. Media vault is again to the broadcasting to the front end or something. Whatever it is there, it means it will come to the broadcast cluster n to so many clusters and so many base stations is there. Mainly the catching, so many catching systems also is there, directly the attack to the media vault. This is the my system architecture. These all are my UML diagram, sequence diagram, DFD diagram, DFD1. System models is server module. System module is server module, custom module, router module. Cluster is like a server, client and receiver. Server give request to the server. Cluster give request to the server. Mediator is router. Again, this is process is cluster to router. It will come again. It will process to one server to request. Cluster to server to cluster. This is my source code. Everything will come one by one. This is screenshots. Mainly screenshot is the username or password is a login register form. Register form. Again register this type, and again you can choose the one IP address and IP address to choose save in format. Receive the format again you can put the server purpose IP address. It will save this one. It is directly through this save. This is save. Conclusion is mainly my process is mainly future is any process is directly catching capacity is very high process in my project. Thank you. This is the my demo the process. Demo is directly firstly you can register here. Register means whatever you can register, it will not register. Just you can type firstly. You can register like this one. Now password is 12345 and email ID is usudakar@gmail.com and mobile number is like 9710565 908. We now register this one. Now you can log in. SUDHAKR Sudhakar U, and password is 12345. Now it is login. Now it is login. Then after you can go to the directly into the net connection. Net connection is there. You can open this one. It will ask some process. Mobile broadcast connection, directly details. It is showing IP address. You can copy and open notepad. And this IP address you can paste here, and this is the IP address. Copy and paste the here, and IP address also here also. And here also you can paste the IP address for everywhere, and you can browse the received path. In desktop you can receive, open, directly you can send the message to server, cluster to router, elastic, story, text, send request, buffering, connection to the server, sending request, message sent, message transferred, directly the message sent to the server, message directly sent to the server. This server message will be again sent to the cluster. This is the process. Mainly this process is directly become keyboard shortcuts. Keyboard shortcuts is also sending to the cluster. Cluster is, you can see keyboard shortcuts, files, send file, buffering. See, now is the router is transformation. See, router is changing everything. Process is going on. Process is coming, changing the router like this type. Every router is changing. Cluster, router is base station, everything is changing. This is the main thing in my project. The media world to router, cluster is router, everything is changing. This one also changing. All changing is coming on. Changing pocket sender, pocket also send. Now it will come. Pocket 1 is sending, pocket 2 is sending. Pocket 2 is sending, pocket 3 is also sent. Pocket 3 also is, pocket 3 also sent. File sending, file transferred, now file is sending to the cursor, file received. This is the mainly my project is done in my project. This is the my project. Thank you, sir.